My name is Entsar. My job title is QMOA, Quality Management. As a QMOA, my job is to inspect the production and confirm that production is visual and dimensionally correct as the customer requirements. The important skills is attention to all details, even the small details, because this is the most important skills you need to have to as a QMOA. At the same time, prevent the bad product to leaving from the building and take care of this. Working as a team environment, at the same time, there's something new, not boring. It's interested job, so I like this one.